If you're diving into cryptocurrency, you've probably heard about Cake Wallet, but does it really stand out among the sea of crypto wallets? Today, we're going to dig into what this app offers and whether it's worth your time. Cake Wallet is a mobile wallet designed primarily for storing, sending, and receiving cryptocurrencies like Monero, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. Right off the bat, the interface feels user-friendly, which is a huge plus for newcomers. The app aims to simplify crypto management with features like built-in exchange options, allowing users to swap between currencies without needing to leave the app. One standout feature is its privacy focus, especially with Monero support, providing users a layer of anonymity that many wallets lack. However, while the app is straightforward, some users might find the lack of advanced features limiting as they become more experienced. Additionally, the wallet supports multiple platforms including both iOS and Android, making it accessible for most users. But I couldn't help but notice that information about security measures wasn't very detailed, which could raise some flags for more cautious investors. Now let's break down some pros and cons. On the positive side, Cake Wallet is incredibly easy to use, making it ideal for beginners. The integration of Monero for privacy-focused users is a significant advantage, and the built-in exchange feature is quite handy for quick trades. However, on the flip side, there are some concerns. The app lacks robust security features and transparency about its underlying technology, which might not sit well with more experienced traders. Additionally, while it supports various cryptocurrencies, its selection isn't as extensive as some competitors, which could be a deal breaker for those looking to diversify. In terms of pricing, it's free, but remember that transaction fees can apply, which is common in the crypto space. Overall, while it suits casual users, seasoned traders may want to explore other options. In conclusion, Cake Wallet is a solid choice for beginners looking to dip their toes into cryptocurrency. Its user-friendly design and privacy features are appealing, but more advanced users may find it lacking. If you value simplicity and privacy, it's worth a try, but if you're after extensive features, you might want to look elsewhere.